West Valley Mission is excited to announce a major expansion of the free meal plan. This fall, eligible students get $50 every week to spend on a brand new menu with more than 40 items, larger portions, and cuisines from around the world.
If you're enrolled in 6 or more in-person credit units at West Valley College or Mission College, or you're a student worker, you qualify. Here's how it works.
First, go to your student portal, click on Meal Plan, review the program terms, click Accept, and Submit. You only need to do this once, and it takes less than a minute. Once you've opted in, $50 is automatically loaded onto your student ID card. You can spend those dollars on meals, snacks, or drinks at campus cafes or vending machines. Please note that coffee and beverages are not included.
In addition to paying with your campus ID, you can add your new meal card to your phone.
Here's how. Scan the QR code to open the HRM website. Next, tap the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner, choose Student and Staff Login, and sign in using your campus SSO credentials. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon again. Select Personalize, then tap Virtual Card Display. From there, you'll see the option to either add to Apple Wallet or save to Google Pay. Just choose the one that works with your phone.
To check your balance and recent transactions, just click the menu icon, select Account Management, then choose Balances and Transactions. You'll see your current balance and any recent purchases made. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by your campus's Student or Basic Needs office or the Welcome Desk. Enjoy your free meals.